iCON meal is a meal replacement and weight control food. The importance of meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. The body should receive 3 complete meals and all 5 nutrient groups because our bodies need nutrients contained in various food to be healthy. Do you want to lose weight? Nowadays, people are paying more attention to taking care of their bodies, making weight loss very trendy. Mistakes made when trying to lose weight. Processed, low-fat, or diet foods are often considered healthy choices that can help you lose weight. However, they may have the opposite effect. iCON meal is a nutritionally correct meal replacement and weight control food, suitable for those who want to control or lose weight, keep their stomach full for a long time, contains all 5 food groups, and it's delicious. iCON meal contains 6 plant-based proteins. 1. Soybean protein isolate. 2. Pea protein. 3. Rice protein powder. 4. Brown rice protein. 5. Chia protein powder. 6. Potato protein. Potato protein is rich in protease inhibitor 2 that helps stimulate hormones. CCK that serves to send signals to the brain to stimulate the digestion of fat and protein, making you feel full and helping control weight. According to research, PI-2 is effective in reducing food intake. It can reduce calorie intake by approximately 18% and result in a 20% reduction in fat weight after 3 weeks of use. PI-2 microcosm in potato protein causes satiety, reduces appetite, and food intake. Synergistic functionality. 1. Glucomannan 100%, fiber that helps with weight loss. Dietary fiber absorbs and swells. 2. Chromium picolinate helps maintain normal blood sugar levels. 3. Fructooligosaccharides powder. It's a prebiotic that helps in balancing the bacteria in the intestines. iCON meal makes you feel full. Probiotics balance microorganisms and reduce sugar absorption. iCON meal has won an award in the UK for 2017 and 2019, in USA for 2018 and 2021, and in Singapore for 2019. Statistically significant changes in 4 weeks. iCON meal is supported by health organizations from around the world, as shown here. iCON meal contains 23 types of vitamins and minerals. iCON meal adds valuable natural extracts: 1. MCT oil powder and 2. Oat powder. MCT oil found in the healthiest oils is coconut oil. Coconut oil is fat that does not accumulate as excess fat in the body. It helps in reducing hunger hormones and increasing the secretion rate of two satiety hormones, peptide YY and leptin. Oat powders are whole grains that help in lowering cholesterol and blood sugar levels. iCON meal provides 203.5 kilocalories of energy and all 5 food groups from 2 packets per meal. iCON meal contains 23 types of vitamins and minerals, 6 plant-based proteins, and valuable natural extracts. Statistics show that iCON meal has the better source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. These are the details of all ingredients that are contained in the iCON meal. iCON meal is approved by FDA Thailand.